Nelmi, nice to meet you. Hello. Hello. Thank you. Are you locals or?
No, we're not. Tourists.
From where?
We came from Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Wow. Italy. But I came from China. Ciao. So we're getting local food cooked here. Oh, you want to show me something? Absolutely. So that's how you break the coconut. Wow. Nilmini, you're very strong. Wow. There you go. Fantastic. So that's the coconut.
Yeah.
All cleaned and removed. And it breaks over there. And then we get coconut, fresh coconut water. Fantastic. Wow. Oh, it's for me. Wow, honored. Thank you, Stuti. You cannot get freshest coconut water. Wow. I drank an entire coconut in 3 seconds and it took a minute to open it up. Wow. Ah, that's the other side.
Eat.
How do I eat? With the spoon or with the hands?
No, with your hands.
With the hand?
Yeah.
Okay. I put this here.
Yeah, one.
Ah, I eat this one. This one. Sorry. Let's do.
All eat.
Huh?
All.
Yeah, all.
Okay.
I can eat also this? Right. I forgot how to eat coconuts. I was not on the beach for a very long time. You can eat all. Right. 100%. This is how you prepare local food
Yeah.
here in the villages of Sri Lanka. You were born here?
Born here.
Okay. Born and raised in the center of Sri Lanka. You clean the veggies.
It's a pandan leaves.
Panda leaves.
Yeah, pandan leaves and curry leaves, onion.
Panda leaves, curry leaves and onions. Fantastic. And what's the white one?
This one?
Yeah.
Coconut.
Coconut. Ah. Guys, check out the coconut. Wow. That's how you use this thing to cut the onions. That's amazing. Oh, and lime. I'm learning from you. I will try the same recipe at home. So you remove the bones, the inside of the lime, split it in half. Oh, that's how you clean the... Wow. I never seen this coconut technique before. Here you go. I don't know if you can do it with one hand.
No problem.
I'm not 100% sure if I've done a good job. Probably very bad. Here we go. Ooh. Do you eat spicy?
Little bit.
For me it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, first, yeah, coconut sambal.
Okay, first we go the spicy one.
You can eat spicy.
Yes. So we put the spices on this rock. Let's see what else can we do over here. What is this thing? Salt.
Salt.
Salt and spices all together. And when we smash it, salt and spices smashed inside the rock. Very nice. Who would know that this is how you make a spicy coconut? How many meals do you cook per day?
10
Ten.
and 5 people.
Okay, 15.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the spicy coconut on one side. And on the other side the lime. Perfect. And we mix it all. Wanna taste? Absolutely. Here we go. Delicious. I love the lime. It's so spicy also, but delicious.
Okay.
I like it. Wow, very spicy. Don't try.
Little bit.
A little bit. Try then. How is it? It's very good, right? Very good. Whoa, so good. Arigato.
White rice,
Rice,
pumpkin curry,
pumpkin curry,
long beans,
long beans,
so banana flour,
banana flavor.
yeah,
Okay.
coconut sambal,
Coconut spicy one. Veggies.
pickle,
Okay, pica.
lake fish,
Fish.
papada.
What's that?
Papada,
Papada.
yeah.
Papada. Okay. So guys, this is my plate. I guess we're gonna try every single dish over here with a curry, some kind of veggies. This should be very good. Spicy coconut, veggies, spicy also. Fish. This is my plate. This is my plate. Should we go by hands? I don't know. Maybe these things. Clearly fresh stuff. And nothing beats the spicy coconut. Is it good? Who would knew? Village life. I feel exactly as if I was in Africa, in Kenya especially, and Uganda. Plate done. We got to go for the spicy pepper. Don't do it. More work for the next person coming here. Rice. For you and for her. Okay. A little tip. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm already sweating. So now, after we crush the rice, we make the dust go away.
Yes.
So the rice stays here and the dust kinda gets out in that direction. And then we crush the rice again. She put it here in the middle. Wow! It's heavy. Much heavier than I thought. Where is the rice? And now this white thing is the rice?
Put this rice and rice roti.
So you can make a rice roti this way.
Roti.
So this is a rice flour.
Oh yeah.
Very cool. This is how you make rice noodles. So that's how you make a roof made from coconut leaves. Unfreaking believable. Check out. What a pattern. Perfect roof for the shade. You're the number one. Wow. Bye bye. Let's go to Lion's Rock.